Today we're looking at the CRB Touring and the keyless hands-free tailgate system. Really easy to use. Down at the bottom here is our sensor, and with the key on us, we don't have to use the key. I'll just hold it here, but I'll go in with my foot. We place it down below and the tailgate opens. Now we can stop the tailgate anywhere at any time. We could quite simply close it again with a little stroke under of the foot, so hands-free, or we could go in and actually pause it and stop it again with another strike. So to get that to open, nice and easy. When it's finished opening, we can either close it from the key with this little button here, or we could of course press that button up there to close it as well. And that's hands-free tailgate operation on the CRB Touring. Thanks for watching.